Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you are issued with interlock orders in NSW, you will have to pay all costs involved in the installation, monitoring and recalibration of your machine. You must also pay an administration fee to Roads and Maritime Services, RMS. Though costs vary, you can expect to have to pay approximately $2,200 per year. 23 February 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
The short and sweet answer is no. Car rental companies do not have any vehicles that are equipped with an ignition interlock device, IID, and they will not rent to anyone with an interlock restricted license.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ignition interlocks work to prevent drunk driving no matter how your insurance company reacts, or how it does or doesn't affect your rates. Installing an ignition interlock device in your vehicle prevents you from using that vehicle to drive drunk.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.